Okay, Summerland Key bike path. Begin. We're heading south from approximately mile marker 25. Summerland Key. It's going to turn right here shortly and get us off the highway completely. State Road 4A, and it tells you a little story about it. The first overseas highway. I ain't stopping. I'll take a picture of the sign one of these days and post it. Ahead, it's good birding, wildlife refuge down here. Believe it or not, I had my drone flying over the top of me down this bike path. It's a pretty nice bike path on Summerland Key. Not too shabby. Smooth riding, smooth sailing. We're headed towards the blimp. So far today, it says I've cycled for 40 minutes, went not quite 9 miles. Right now I'm clipping along at a whopping 15.5 miles an hour. That's my cruising speed. Or here's cruise speed number 2. Oh, there goes Crystal. She's in high gear. You are too. You passed me up. Now I'm going to pass you up. Crystal's hauling ass. To go ahead and kill the camera as soon as I turn the corner, because I'll be stopping on Highway 1 to look both ways to get across. I like this little bridge they built up here. Gotta watch out because people come flying down it, not thinking about people coming the other way. We're going to continue to head south, but we're going to get on the south side of the road now. Get to wait a little bit here, which is fine.